Got a minute? Let's make this. Now this is a St. Patty's Day feast. Corned beef with all the fixins. Here's what you'll need. A brisket of corned beef. Grab the center cut if you like lean. Place a rack inside a baking sheet and add water to just below the rack. Lay the brisket on the rack, fat side up, and if a spice packet comes with the brisket, sprinkle it right over the top. Cover with foil and bake at 325 degrees for several hours. While that's cooking, prep your veggies. Place a steamer in a large pot and add about an inch of water. Add your cabbage, potatoes, and carrots, then cover and cook. All that's left is the glaze. In a small pot, combine a half a cup of brown sugar with the same amount of water. Heat it up and add a half a cup of mustard. Then during the last hour of cooking the brisket, glaze the top several times, reserving some glaze for the platter. Now let's put it all together. The cabbage drizzled with a little olive oil, the potatoes, the carrots bright and tender, and finally, that corned beef sliced thin and glazed with goodness. It's a St. Patty's Day celebration for sure. Thanks for watching the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.